1971 Chevrolet Chevelle, two-door hardtop, $396 underneath the hood. That there is receipts from 2003 when it was rebuilt, board 30 over. Now you do notice the SS badging up here with the 454. Just want to make that clear, $396 underneath the hood. Not representing it as a true SS. $396 is paired up with a automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400, nicely equipped car, power steering, power brakes, AC. We have had the AC blowing cold, compressor kicks on and off, has had a repaint also to this red and black combination. Take a look at the front bumper, grille. Paint shows well on this one. Actually, the previous owner of this car had it for 30 years approximately. Decided to part with it. Now you can check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. In those still pictures, you're also going to see a list of things that were done to this car. I will try to highlight on quite a few of them as we finish up this walk around video. As you can see, front bench seat, black vinyl, tilt column. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay, snoop that over. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Check out the chrome in the rear bumper. It does have 2.5-inch diameter exhaust, true dual exhaust all the way to the rear. 308 posi rear end that was redone approximately 10 years ago. This is a new vinyl top that was put on it. So condition wise, vinyl top also in nice shape. New windshield. Bumpers have been re-chromed. That's why they were in such nice shape when we looked at them. There's an AM FM cassette player in the glove box, FYI. It does have dual rear speakers, and it also retained the AM radio up front to keep that stock looking dash. Electric fuel pump, new alternator. There's also a 4-core radiator in this one with electric fans added for helping cooling. Keep it cool going down the road. And again, still pictures. You want to see that engine bay, you want to check out the underside, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, you can see the paint show as well. Black vinyl interior, also in nice shape. Free of rips, tears, holes. And you'll be able to see every angle of this interior in the still pictures. Headliner also intact. Of course, you have the shoulder belts and the lap belts in 1971. A couple other things I just want to note. Batteries replaced in 2021. You have the tack on the steering column there, as you can see. Emergency brake on this one does work. Some notes from the previous owner. And like I said, check in the still pictures. I will take a picture of the list of things that he has done to this or replaced on it, and that will be in the still pictures if you want to check that out. And fire this up. Again, $396 paired with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400. Do have aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. See the oil pressure and water temp. That was a cold start, as you can see. Was a factory AC car, still complete underneath the hood, and I did have the compressor kick on and off, and it did blow cold. Let this warm up just a tad. As you can see, aftermarket tack is also working. $396, rebuilt approximately 2003, board 30 over. Door closes nicely. Slip around the back. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. This one will turn some heads, sound, and looks, no doubt about that. I'm going to slip up to the front, pop the hood. It does have hood pins, as you can see, but we're going to pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and wrap this video up. There we go, hood open. Nice and clean on the underside. What a good looking engine bay. Edelbrock carb. Again, power steering, power brakes, there's the AC compressor. 396. 430 over. This is one get in, turn the key and go. 308 gears in the back, positive rear end. Be a fun one to take down the road. Sounds good, looks good. There you go, 1971 Chevelle two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description, going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.